Most powerful and ingenious machines that you need to see. Welcome to an exhilarating exploration of the most powerful and ingenious machines that are setting new standards in their fields. From agricultural innovations to advanced lumber processing and cutting-edge machinery, these tools are designed to tackle some of the toughest challenges with remarkable efficiency and precision. Each machine represents the pinnacle of engineering and technology, offering solutions that not only enhance productivity but also push the boundaries of what's possible. Euroagromat EAM. The Euroagromat EAM is a marvel of modern agricultural engineering, designed to handle a wide range of farming tasks with unparalleled efficiency. This powerful machine is renowned for its versatility and high performance, making it an indispensable tool for large-scale farming operations. The EAM integrates several functions into one unit, including soil preparation, planting, and fertilization, which significantly streamlines fieldwork and reduces the need for multiple pieces of equipment. One of the standout features of the Euroagromat EAM is its advanced hydraulic system, which allows for precise control over various functions. The machine's robust construction ensures durability and reliability, even in the most demanding conditions, while its adjustable settings enable operators to tailor its performance to specific tasks and soil types. Feeder Leader Corporation. Feeder Leader Corporation has made a name for itself with its innovative feed management systems, designed to improve efficiency and productivity in livestock operations. Their flagship products include advanced feed wagons and distribution systems that are engineered to handle large volumes of feed with precision and ease. These machines are essential for farmers who need to manage feed distribution across extensive operations while ensuring optimal nutrition for their livestock. The Feeder Leader feed wagons are equipped with high-capacity bins and precision distribution mechanisms that allow for accurate and efficient feed management. Forigo. Forigo is renowned for its high-performance tillage and soil preparation equipment, designed to meet the needs of modern farmers seeking to optimize soil health and crop productivity. The company offers a range of innovative machines, including rotary tillers and seedbed preparation tools, that are engineered to handle various soil conditions and farming practices with exceptional efficiency. The Forigo rotary tillers, for instance, feature advanced blade systems and adjustable settings that allow for precise control over soil cultivation. These tillers are designed to break up compacted soil, incorporate organic matter, and create a fine seedbed for planting. Their powerful engines and durable construction ensure reliable performance even in challenging conditions. Vagon Brothers Lumber. Vagon Brothers Lumber is at the forefront of lumber processing technology, offering some of the most powerful and efficient machines for the forestry industry. Their equipment includes advanced sawmills and lumber handling systems that are designed to streamline the processing of timber and improve overall efficiency. Vagon Brothers machines are known for their precision, durability, and ability to handle large volumes of timber with ease. One of the key features of Vagon Brothers sawmills is their high-speed cutting technology, which enables the processing of timber into finished products quickly and accurately. The company's lumber handling systems are equipped with advanced automation features that reduce the need for manual labor and improve operational efficiency. Taylor & Braithwaite. Taylor & Braithwaite is renowned for its innovative solutions in agricultural and industrial machinery, offering a range of high-performance equipment designed to meet the demands of modern farming and industrial applications. Their product lineup includes advanced balers, forage harvesters, and other specialized machines that are engineered to deliver exceptional performance and reliability. One of the standout products from Taylor & Braithwaite is their high-capacity balers, which are designed to handle large volumes of hay, straw, or silage with ease. These balers feature advanced compression and tying systems that ensure consistent bale quality and minimize waste. Additionally, the company's forage harvesters are equipped with cutting-edge technology that allows for precise cutting and chopping of forage materials, optimizing feed quality and reducing processing time. Gawile. Gawile is a leading manufacturer of agricultural machinery known for its high-performance bale handling and wrapping systems. Their equipment is designed to meet the needs of modern farmers by providing efficient and reliable solutions for handling and preserving forage materials. Gawile's machines are renowned for their advanced technology, durability, and ease of use, making them essential tools for managing large volumes of hay and silage. The Gawile bale wrappers, for example, feature advanced wrapping technology that ensures uniform and tight wrapping of bales, which helps preserve the quality of forage materials and extend their storage life. The company's bale handlers are designed to handle bales with precision and care, reducing the risk of damage and improving overall efficiency. Ben Burgess. Ben Burgess is known for its high-quality agricultural machinery and equipment, offering a range of powerful tools designed to enhance farming operations. Their product lineup includes advanced tractors, cultivators, and other specialized machines that are engineered to deliver exceptional performance and productivity. Ben Burgess's equipment is designed to meet the needs of modern farmers by providing reliable and efficient solutions for various agricultural tasks. One of the key features of Ben Burgess's tractors is their advanced engine technology, which delivers high power and fuel efficiency for demanding tasks. The company's cultivators are designed to handle different soil types and conditions, ensuring effective soil preparation and improved crop growth. Additionally, Ben Burgess offers a range of precision farming equipment that allows farmers to optimize field operations and improve overall efficiency. AgriWorld Sarel. AgriWorld Sarel is a prominent manufacturer of agricultural machinery known for its innovative solutions in soil preparation and crop management. Their product range includes advanced tillers, seeders, and fertilizer spreaders that are designed to enhance productivity and efficiency in modern farming operations. AgriWorld Sarel's equipment is renowned for its precision, durability, and ability to handle various farming tasks with ease. The AgriWorld Sarel tillers, for instance, feature advanced rotor and blade systems that provide effective soil cultivation and mixing. These tillers are designed to handle different soil types and conditions, ensuring optimal soil preparation for planting. The company's seeders are equipped with precision planting mechanisms that ensure accurate seed placement and spacing, promoting healthy crop growth. Midas Agri. Midas Agri is a leading manufacturer of agricultural tires and tracks, known for their high-performance products designed to enhance traction and stability in various farming conditions. Their tires and tracks are engineered to provide superior performance and durability, making them an essential component of modern agricultural machinery. Midas Agri's products are designed to improve traction, reduce soil compaction, and enhance overall equipment efficiency. One of the key features of Midas Agri's tires is their advanced tread design, which provides excellent grip and stability on different types of terrain. The company's tracks are designed to distribute weight evenly and minimize soil disturbance, improving traction and reducing soil compaction. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.